Hi everyone, I weren't going to make a video for this. I was just going to fit this, the straight through pipe for the Motordyne XYZ, and fit it and just enjoy it. But the Motordyne system, it is quite special and quite rare here in the UK, and it's not cheap. So on my 05 I've got the Motordyne ART pipes and the XYZ Y pipe, and it has an interchangeable post-merge section. So for the last couple of years I've been using this high flow cat, and it's the most restrictive option that they do, and it sort of restricts the noise a fair bit, I'd imagine, as well also. And yeah, wanting to increase the noise a little bit, so I had this made up, which is a straight through 3-inch pipe, V-band on the one end and 2-bolt flange on the other side. And what we'll do is we'll fit it. I'll insert a sound clip of the exhaust as it was before with this. I think it went up to 87 decibels, so we'll put this on and do a quick sound check as well. Old Motordyne high flow cat off, new straight pipe on. So we've just took the Motordyne high flow cat off, straight pipes on. Last time it peaked at 87 decibels, so we'll do another cold start with the straight through pipe and see what we get. ART peak was 87, and it's reading very similar now. So straight pipe on for the Motordyne XYZ, and same as before, 87. So it's no louder officially, hello, but it does sound just extra crisp, which of course it will do, but in terms of ultimate volume, no louder, so not bad at all.